Today we're going to make the good old cheesecake cookies. A cup of all-purpose flour. Next you want to have a cup of sugar. And if you can't have sugar, you can have splenda. Here I bet. Half a cup of sugar. That'd be a half cup of sugar. Next you want 2 egg yolks. You want a half teaspoon of salt. And you want a 3 to 4 teaspoons of baking powder. You want a half teaspoon of baking soda, of Armour's baking soda or whatever one. I'm going to add 1 stick of melted butter to this mixture. Then you want to start getting this all together, incorporating it all together. It'll start forming a paste here. And you eventually get this dough texture. This would be regular cookie dough. Anyways, we're going to put this to the side. We'll come back to it. We're going to start on the cheesecake batter. You'll want an 8-ounce block of cream cheese. Now, it don't have to be Philadelphia. It could be generic or off-brand. Next, you'll want an egg. 1 large egg. You want 3 tablespoons of sugar. I've already put 2 in, so I just got to put 1 more in. And then next, you want a half teaspoon of vanilla extract, and it's got getting all that mixed up. You want to lock this down. Then you want to turn this on low. Let this incorporate together. You're going to start out with slow, then we'll get a little bit quicker, and up just a little bit. You want to get this real creamy as if you were making a cheesecake itself, and a little higher. Okay, that's what you're looking for. We're going to put this into the cookie dough batter, and I'll show you what we do after we put it together. The cheesecake batter into the cookie batter. You want to kind of stir this around. Don't go hard on it because you don't want to. You just want to flop it over into this batter. Now you don't want to get it completely solid. Now that is the batter you're looking for. Remember, just heavy strokes like this, not too big because you don't want to get just like this. That time until you get it pretty much all the way, but not all the way. Just barely under. You don't get all the way corporate in. Anyway, on a cookie sheet, and I don't got parchment paper, so that shouldn't be a big problem as long as you spray it down with some baking spray. It's really good. And my pan I'm using is a non-stick cooking pan, so that should eliminate that. But make sure you spray it down real good like that. Anyway, skipper for this. A measuring spoon or cup would work just fine. Okay. What helps with it though, if you can, is flour it down, or it does get a little sticky, but that's okay. With them done, and I was going to top them off with a little bit of powdered sugar to go over, not too much, about like that. Anyways, we'll do a taste test on them. Oh, they're really soft. Look at that. Look at that cookie right there. Look at that. It's so good. That was so good. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will bring you more videos